With this kind of method, you will never throw away overnight boiled white rice. Yes, you can see the white rice. Separate egg yolks from egg white and set aside. Then put the yolks into the white rice and mix together. You can see me mixing it. Make sure that it is well mixed. After that, put a pan on fire, add oil, and then add the egg white. Fry it to get dry. So introduce the rice once it is dry, the egg white is dry, and start turning them. Fry it a little bit and then start introducing all your ingredients, which I did here. After that, you continue frying. Make sure that it is on low heat. Here I introduced bell pepper. Spring onions came in. The spring onions will bring out the taste. I also introduced carrots, diced hot dog, and green peas. After that, all I do is fry and fry, just the way you fry fried rice. Keep frying it in a low heat and be turning it consistently. It is ready. This method will help you not to throw away boiled overnight white rice at all.